What's your favourite kind of film?
I quite like comedies and action because I like to see things happening and I just like to have a laugh.
I guess I like science fiction films. I like all films, but science fiction films probably prefer, and I like them because it's just a way to relax.
I like movies that bring a new idea to me or make me think about something that I haven't thought about before.
I think my favorite type of film would be just brain dead action movies, where you can just sit back and relax and just watch it and don't have to think too much about it.
I wouldn't say I've got a particular genre of film I like more than others, but I do really like action films and also sort of historical and documentary style films.
What's your favourite movie of all time?
I like Pulp Fiction a lot. I like the monologues in that by Samuel L. Jackson. I think they're really interesting.
I think one of my favourites has to be The Shawshank Redemption, which I've seen a number of times. I think it's got a great story, and there's Morgan Freeman, great actor, and yeah, just a great film.
My favourite movie is Fight Club. I really like it because in addition to being entertaining, it also has a really cool twist at the end.
My favorite movie of all time would definitely be Dumb and Dumber. I've watched it, I think, 200 times. It's just funny throughout the whole film, and I just love these two characters. They're beautiful.
Yeah, Heat's my favourite film of all time with Al Pacino and Robert De Niro. It's got a great cast and it's full of action and quite a good story with a few twists.